Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now. Don't forget to hit that notification bell as well. Today is week 2 of the giveaway, and I just got home from a ugly sweater Christmas party, which is why my makeup looks pretty much ridiculous right now. I've gotten very oily and the eyes are like insane, but it looked awesome with my outfit. I'm telling you, it was great. It's really great. I didn't personally take any pictures of it, but my girlfriend did take a picture of all three of us girls together, so hopefully maybe she'll get that to me in time and I can show you my outfit. But I just figured I'd sit down and go ahead and show the giveaway for this week, and then I can go wash my face off and go lay down and go to bed. It is past 11 o'clock. This is probably the latest I've been out and gotten home in quite some time, so I'm pretty proud of myself, but I'm ready to go to bed. And I lost one of my fingernails, so, and then I've got like lipstick that I have wiped off, and now like my thumb is red, so it's just a mess. In honor of this very heavy makeup look that I have today, I thought we would do a giveaway that corresponded with how to take all that heavy makeup off. So I have the boscia, once again, boscia, love you. This is the charcoal makeup melter. Now, I saw this one day and it was for a good price, so I picked it up and I've been using it since then. And I'm gonna warn you, it really doesn't smell the greatest. It smells like cardboard to me. It reminds me of cardboard, but it takes everything off and it doesn't burn my eyes. I just love it. So I'm giving away one. This way. I'm giving away one to you guys. So that is for this week's giveaway. So if you want to win the Boscia Makeup Charcoal Makeup Melter Cleansing Oil Balm, then please follow these steps down below. I'm not going to go over all of that again. I'll just put everything down below, and there'll be an Instagram as well with all the details in it. So yeah, I think that's everything already. I'm going to go throw my hair up and use this to take off my makeup, and I'm going to go to bed. I wonder if I can do it on camera for you guys. I actually bought something that I want to use. I was going to go take this off, my makeup off, and then I kind of thought maybe I should tell you how this is supposed to be used. Now, I really haven't used a lot of cleansing oil, makeup removing balm, things like this. I've used coconut oil, and that's probably it. I have heard that some really sting your eyes, and like I said, this does not sting my eyes, but it does say to use the provided spatula, so it does come with like this little white spatula thing. I don't use that, I just use my thumb. And, okay, or fingertips, and scoop onto fingers, apply onto a dry face, including eye area, massaging in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes. Slowly add warm water to emulsify into a milky cleanser, then rinse clean. And rinse spatula after use. So basically, you know, you put it on your face when it's dry. You don't get your face wet or anything like that. And then you get your hands a little bit wet, and you kind of circular, get your hands a little bit wet, circular, and just keep doing it until it basically becomes a cleanser, and then you can wash it all off. And it works pretty good, and like I said, it really doesn't sting my eyes. I do want to try out this thing that I got. It's Erase Your Face. I picked this up at Bed Bath & Beyond. It was like a pack of 4. Now I have tried it in the shower to wash my face off like in the morning or whatever, but I haven't used it to take off makeup yet. I do want to try it like one side just using this and no remover. So I'm going to test that out for you right now. Do I go into the eyes right away? I don't know. Let's just do the face. I just don't see how this works any differently than a towel. It said you're not supposed to use any type of cleanser or anything. I don't know. I feel like I would still need a cleanser. I just don't think that would get everything off. Like, I do see it taking off the makeup, but I think just for a deep cleanse, you'd still need to go in. I feel like that's pulling on my face quite a bit. Yeah. I don't think I would ever just use this to remove makeup alone. I'd still use a cleanser and just maybe use this to wash it off with. So let me actually just kind of try this on camera for you. This is what it looks like on the inside. And the outside of the bottle does kind of look funny, but I've looked at all of them. That's just the way that they come. So don't be like shocked by that or anything. It's just the way that it is. I don't know if it's just air bubbles, I'm guessing. And I usually do my face first and eyes last so I can see what I'm doing. Oh, and there goes the lipstick. That'd be the Fenty Beauty for you. I know you're supposed to get it wet and make it into like a cleanser, but I don't want to make a mess everywhere right now. Oof. I really don't like stuff in my eye. I'm finding a clean side here. Still see some sparkles. I think that's bound to happen with any glitter. So that cleanser really breaks everything down really well. Now I always still wash my face. It's just taking off your makeup. You still need to cleanse your face and get down into your pores and everything. But I really think this does a great job. So if you want to win this, follow the steps, enter the giveaway, and the drawing will be held. I think this time I'm going to actually do Saturday instead of Friday, so I'm going to give you one extra day. So the drawing will be held on Saturday, 10 a.m. Central Time. Check your Instagram DMs. So we'll see you at week 3 giveaway. Good luck to everybody. I don't know why I make that face when I'm cleaning off my makeup. Alright, time to go wash my face.